Congress spokesperson Shama Mohammed sparked controversy for calling Indian skipper Rohit Sharma a fat for sportsmen. Let's listen into what exactly she had to say.
It was just a generic tweet about a fitness of a sports person. It is not body shaming. It's about the fitness of a sports person. I always believe a sports person has to be fit. So I felt he's a bit overweight and I just tweeted on that. And I've been attacked for no reason, And when I compared him to the other captains, previous captains like Dhoni, or for that matter, Ganguly, Dravid, Tendulkar, Kapil Dev. So I put in and Virat. I put in a statement because I found him, I have the right, it's a democracy. What is wrong in saying? Let's not forget how Virat Kohli was attacked when he supported his teammate Shami. Mohammad Shami, when they lost against Pakistan and most of these bucks over here started, attacking Mohammad Shami, and Virat, being a captain, a good captain, stood by his teammate. Virat Kohli, whenever there is a youngster who catches a ball in a match, he goes and hugs him. He leads from the front. He scores runs. He's a captain of the team. And also, let's understand, he always compliments the other person. When there is a opponent who does well, Virat Kohli compliments them, So that is what you have to understand. So I just spoke in a generic manner. And I fail to understand a democracy. We don't have the right to speak in such a manner.
All right, so that was Congress spokesperson Shama Mohammed, who in fact is speaking to the media, clearly not apologetic. I'm also now joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Payal, clearly there is no apology that is coming in from Shama Mohammed. In fact, she went on to say that I have the freedom to make a statement, to make my opinion.
You can make your opinion, but can you undermine somebody's contribution? Can you undermine somebody's role that he or she is supposed to play? We are right now in the middle of a very, very important tournament. We are actually in the semi-finals of the Champions Trophy. But speak about a public figure like this does not, be off of the reputation of the likes of Shama Mohammed. Rohit Sharma is wearing the national colours on his sleeves, for God's sake. He's of course the captain of the Indian team. He's been somebody who's holding the responsibility and shouldering the expectation and the burden of 140 crore Indians. And to speak about a public representative in a manner like this is completely uncalled for. It's going to bring in a lot of public outrage as far as Shama Mohammad's conduct is really concerned. Given the fact that in this country, Sharon, cricket is like a religion. And of course, our cricketers do play under a lot of pressure as well. But to make a remark of him, and the question that can the counter question that can be asked of her is, what is her expertise on cricket and why does she have to criticize him without knowing the facts? That's the question that multiple people, of course, on the streets will also be asking.
Absolutely. And Payal, we just heard her statement where she in fact says that as far as, athletes and cricketers are concerned, I believe that they should be fit. But the matter of fact is that even if, according to her, Rohit Sharma is not fit, has he actually compromised in his, playing as far as his cricket career is concerned? There has never been a compromise from his side.
Rohit Sharma, every cricketer has ups and downs. Every athlete wins some matches and loses some matches as well. But the commitment to the country is most important. And Rohit Sharma stood that test for a very, very long time. And I can say that with a lot of confidence because I've covered cricket for a very, very long period of time. And Rohit Sharma has actually shown when the chips have really been down. Remember recently when he spoke to the media, he said, I'm going nowhere. There was a lot of pressure on him. He said, I'm going nowhere because there's nothing else that I can really do. And he's led India to 3 important wins. In fact, India defeated arch rivals Pakistan recently. Just about yesterday, we in fact defeated New Zealand. We've reached the semi-finals of the Champions Trophy, a very, very prestigious tournament. But more than anything, guys, Sharon, whether it's in the business of politics or it's in the business of entertainment or sports, who gives you the right to body shame somebody and talk about the fact that, he or she should be in a certain manner, should not be piling out certain amounts of weight? That's completely uncalled for and is going to bring her a lot of slam at the hands of the common man as well, because there are huge fans of Rohit Sharma that we've seen across the entire country and across the globe. And he has a cricketing career and a cricketing record to prove himself as well.
Absolutely. And Payal, you made a very important point that as far as the Indian cricket team is concerned, right now they are playing the championship trophy. Last evening, there was a match against New Zealand, which they won. And, such statement that is coming in from political parties are actually going to put their morale down, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. And like I said, that this is going to be a slam that's going to come to the Congress party's leadership. From the common man. Because like I said, cricket is not just a sport. In this country, it is like a religion and our cricketers are considered to be no less than a god. So that's the reason you see people traveling thousands and thousands of kilometers to watch this game of cricket. You see our stadiums full the whole time that you have matches over here as well. So this kind of comment coming in unnecessarily does not really help. Of course, we can have a complaint with somebody's form, somebody being out of form, somebody not being able to perform. But to talk about the fact that he's piled on a few kgs of weight, all of that body shaming is completely uncalled for. You can agree and disagree that yes, he needs to improve on his technique or needs to work on the technique. But number wise speaking, the results are there for everybody to see. India is in the semi-finals of the Champions Trophy.